Good morning to all. Thank you, sir, for brief introduction about NCC system of our organization. And thank you, Victor, to give me opportunity to platform to describe you regarding NCC.
Another thing I want to tell you, I visit APPM 10 times.
Thank you, sir. Regarding NCC, we are all familiar about the fall pungent smell surrounding the craft integrated ball mill. That is nothing but due to NCG. Handling of NCG is important due to
First, you tell why you have gone for the exchange first time in India. What was the problem?
due to Rajahmundry mill is present center of the city, and smell is the major issue for the mill as well as surrounding area. Due to that, we are plan to install NCG handling system, and it's not only for regulatory, but it is help us for working a safe environment and hygienic environment. That's why we all go for NCG system, sir. Now going to presentation. This is the flow of presentation. First we discuss about NCG. NCG then regarding about our organization, Andhra Paper Limited. It's one of the largest integrated pulp and paper manufacturing company in India. We have produced all varieties paper like writing, painting, copier, and cup stock, cup bottom, and the life. I take 1 minute to describe you about life. It's a program we are following our organization. Life is nothing but a program we are focusing on upgrading our conditions, updated our procedure, policy and technology through employee engagement. The main focus in an accident-free workplace. There are different major focus area. One is machine guarding, motorized equipment, and in that one major concept is exposure to harmful substance and environment. That's why we in life we take NCG as a soft element, and in this we are in live program we are train our employees and update our technologies to improve our workplace. Now regarding NCG, NCG are the byproduct of cooking and washing and operation of evaporator process. This gas, after the condense of these gases, which are non-condensed, that is called NCG. These are damage our environment and create nuisance odor. So in NCG system, we are collect and destroy the gases to safe and hygienic workplace. The main component of NCGs are hydrogen sulfide, methyl mercaptan, dimethyl sulfide, and dimethyl disulfide. After that, terpene also terpene, methanol, nitrogen, oxygen, and water vapors also present in NCG. The properties of NCG, these are noxious, means in little bit gas also create fall odor. These gases are corrosive. For these our equipment, they are corrode and destroy destroy the equipment. These gases are toxic. In H2S 1000 ppm, exposure can exposure within 30 minutes can cause death, and these gases are flammable in nature. Combustion properties of NCG. For combustion of anything, we want oxygen, fuel, and ignite sources. In NCG, there are already fuel and oxygen present. If any ignition point source is come, it may cause flammable and combustion. Explosive range of we must know the explosive mixture. In a different area, we collect different composition of HAG. So their properties and nature are different. Already oxygen are present. If you mix these two not in kind of mixture, then it can create an explosive mixture in NCG. So it's explode and we are able to mix this different source of NCG to mix together. This is the chemical reaction happened after installation of NCG, and the final product is SO2. And the minimum condition for installation of NCG is that we require 870-degree temperature, and time for installation 0.75 seconds, and we want oxygen 3 to 4%. If this minimum condition is not satisfied, then NCG is not installed and it goes to atmosphere. This is the time installation and operation timeline of NCG in our organization, APL. We will start our journey in 2002, already Sess explained. And we are do a lot of exercise, lot of studies with Lundberg, and finally we reach update our last modification 2018 to collect modify our WL tank NCG gas. In Andhra Paper Limited, we are divided. We take NCG dilute. We collect dilute NCG, concentrated NCG, and fall condensate. HPLC, non-condensable gas. HPLC is the dilute NCG gas. Is mainly is a high volume and low concentration gas. The source of the gases are blow tank, filtered tank, liquor tank, chipping, ODL blow tank. Main composition of these gases are organic wood, TRS, traxes, and air, and majorly water vapor. And the properties of this gas is high oxygen and low in combustible. Next, LVSC, non-condensable gas. This is concentrated NCG gases. The source point is evaporator area, vacuum pump, seal pit, and fall condensate main tank. Composition of this NCG is wood or major is TRS compound and less number water vapor, and property is high in combustible and low in oxygen. Fall condensate system. Up to 2015, we are not collect fall condensate. We are just drain out, but due to smell issue, we are now collecting it. This we have collect from this. The source point of this fall condensate is evaporator, vacuum pump, and NCG lines. Composition is its maximum water content, little amount methanol, TRS, turpentines, and organics. Properties is if in turpentine content it is combustible, and we are treating this fall condensate with oxidized with hydrogen peroxide, and after that sent to ECM. This is our HPLC collection system. There are two streams. One stream is a fiber line, where we collect gases from digester, ODL and filtrate. And second stream is WL gas. In digester, in pulp mill, first we collect these gases and scrub it. In scrubber, we scrub methanol and fiber particle. After that, these gases goes to spray tower, where we cool these gases, and after that, after cooling, the maximum vapor content is cooled down, and the NCG gases goes to for firing to recovery. In WL, we are collect these gases and cool down these gases with cooler, and after that, these gases goes to recovery. In LVAC system, we are collecting gases from evaporator, fall condensate, and fall condensate tank and evaporator seal pit. First, we collect these gases by ejector and firing RLK, rotary line clean. Fall condensate, we are collect fall condensate from evaporator, and there are LVAC and HVAC pipelines. We collect these gases and store in main fall condensate tank. After that, we are taking gases with hydrogen peroxide and sent to the TP. Process safety equipments. For NCG handling, we are handle the flammable gas. So we require process safety equipment for handle safely these gases. In APL, we are using all these equipments for safety. The first we discussed about flame arrestor. It is protect the flame burn in back, protect live pipelines. So we are using this flame arrestor in source and incineration area. Rapture discs, this is protect fiber pipelines, and it located near source point and incineration point. Pressure vacuum relief, it's protect tanks and seal pit. Steam ejector, we are using LVAC line steam ejector to keep system under vacuum. This is protect for ND7. Due to handling LVAC high concentrated gas, so you use ejector. Entrainment separator, it's remove water droplets from NCG lines. It protect, condense all the condense out water collected in here. So any water particles not goes to line clean or recovery boiler. This is our volume. We are generated NCG and handle. Total LVAC is 460 Nq per hour, and total HVAC is 3,500 Nq per hour. We are develop our own policy and procedure, upgrade our system to handle the NCG. This is our best practice. For NCG handling, we are monitored through DCS. Safety interlock, there are all safety interlock in HVAC, LVAC system. Through safety interlock, we protect our system during offset conditions. We are follow NCG policy. This is our own developed policy. In this policy, we are maintain all the safety interlocks, how to communicate NCG venting, how to communicate with any S2S with the exposure limit exceeding S2S. All these mention, and we have follow this NCG policy. NCG coordinator, it's the one dedicated person we deputed for NCG coordinator, who is coordinate entire fiber line, recovery boiler and cost sizing area, and coordinate all three sections. NCC system reliability and maintenance, we are doing every annual outage and we recorded it. Any incident in NCG, we are analyze for root cause failure and do action plan. This is we are generate NCG status report every month and update this report to our mill lead team review. So mill lead team also focus in this regarding NCG system. This is our measurement report inside our mill or surrounding area. In this we are record all the areas NCG concentration and maintain it. For NCG system safe operation, we have follow these things. Mainly, we never try to avoid to enter air in LVC system. Drain out all the condensate before it burning. Eliminate ignition sources. Protect pipeline and equipment, and maintain safety interlock. We are follow interlock procedure or jumper policy. This is our own development policy, which we have described all the mill interlocks in 3 categories. Number 1 category, HG is in number 1 category, which never we bypass. Like this, we have number 2 and number 3 category. In LVSC installation, LVSC fire in RLK, that's why the main advantage is we save fuel and recover sulfur, and the disadvantage is reinformation in dam station. HPLC we fire in recovery boiler, it's 8 hour fuel value, and disadvantage during recovery boiler and discharge we have bent out these gases. This is a case study where I will describe one incident happened in 2018, main ball condensate tank. The ball condensate tank exploded due to some errors that I will discuss in here as a case study. On 13 June, we are installed new tank near ball condensate tank. Their project work going up. At that stage, fabrication work going up. So during that time, ball condensate tank exploded and it lift minimum half feet and set off. It's mainly we are mainly due to their ball condensate. We are maintaining 70% ball condensate and 30% their space. The main root cause for this incident, this is some pictures during that incident. Damaged foundation bolt, damaged top and bottom area. The main basic root cause for this event is in physical inadequate ball condensate tank protection. We are having vapor and vacuum relief system, but at that time it is not working. And even there are a lot of fabrication and work going up. And the seal pit we suspect air enter into the system, so that during welding the ignition source come and the tank. After that, we are change our pressure and vacuum relief valve. Also, we change our seal loop system in ball condensate tank. We are leveling our pipeline and equipment, and we are finalized to give training every refresher training to NCG handling persons to awareness of NCG. Conclusion. In April, we are follow no venting odorous gas. We follow policy and procedure practice that make our system run safely and effectively. Thank you.